Hey y'all, it's me, Mr. Thibaut-Deox. Just coming here with prime factorization to reduce fractions. Okay, so now let's put together what we did on 65 and 66 a little bit. So what we're doing here, this is also very similar to what you did on question 29 yesterday, okay? What we're doing here is we're realizing, and this is something I mentioned before on how we're going to use this, we can break 125 and 1000 down into its prime factors. From there, we can then break down all of our numbers to be a little bit more reduced. Okay, 5 over 5, remember, if we have 5 over 5, that is essentially 1, right? Because it also equals 1 over 1. Okay. And when we're looking at this here, we could write this as 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over, or times 5 over 5 times 5 over 5 times 5 over 5. Okay. This is the exact same as 5 times 5 times 5 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, 5, which is also the same as 125 over 1000. Okay? Now, this one you might be able to figure out translates into 1/5 without having to do all of this, right? You're dealing with fives and thousands, 10 columns. It's not too easy, not too difficult to play around with 25s. But if you were dealing with a much more difficult question, like say 48 over 400, 36 over 81, this is still pretty easy. It's a simple little thing, but hopefully you can see where we're going with this, where this could be much more difficult. Okay. I'm going to have you continue on. I've been having so much fun with this. We're just going to keep doing 1 through 29 odd for our questions today as well. Okay, that's all the notes I really have for you. Yeah, hopefully that goes well and you're on board. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.